coming on the highway. Give it a little bit of a go. The new T-bolt clamp I got on is holding, so I haven't popped off the intake for boost, which is good. I'm hitting overboost a lot still, so it tells me one thing. Also, I got the wastegate overspring. It's at about 14, 15 pounds, and it easily spikes overboost at 17. So it pulls boost when I'm trying to stay in that range. So I definitely need to change that. Probably put like a 10-pound spring in there. And that should stop my overboost problem. It's becoming annoying. So we'll see how that goes. I don't know my bike, so I don't know what they were running. They're quick. They chased me down for a while. I passed them a while back, and then they caught up to me, and then I realized that they wanted to run the car. I wasn't really paying attention. I was just kind of in my zone, just cruising, and downshifted into fourth, and kind of just rolled into it from there. And they just took off on me, but they both gave me some thumbs up, and it's fun. I always wanted to know how my car set up against a bike. The temperature just crept right up, so I'm sure I pulled timing as well. But it was fun. It was fun. It's not super busy. Friday night testing tunes have not done me well. I have not had good luck with this car at the track or recently on the street. So that's my a big weakness right now. It's just trying to make one solid, clean pass at the track. It's like my nemesis right there. If I can get one clean pass before I tuck this car away, I'll be happy. I don't care. Exactly what it runs per se, because I know I'm not going to get where I want to be with the car just yet. But I just want a clean run. Just a clean run. Nothing goes wrong. It just is what it is, and time stuff is what it is. So that's it for now. See you next time.